Hello everybody, Pikachu here, and today I want to show you guys my torture build that I did, and it's really good. Took me 2 hours at all to do this build. I'm really happy at what it ended up in. It's a really good build. I love it, and I hope you enjoy it because it took me a lot of time. It's a really beautiful build, so. Let's start with where it all started. It all started here with this. This wasn't here, there was a door, white stuff, Denison wasn't here. And there was like a clay thing all over here. And then this wall was clay, but I changed it because I just like detail, but I started all here. So then I did this. Did my detail of stuff, everything that everybody will like. It's really cool. I like the detail, and I think I want to put this detail here. Ooh, pretty good. Not kidding, you can do this. Kids. No kids. Oh, why? Oh, yeah. Oops. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Can do this, I guess. Oh, that's pretty good. But yeah, and never mind of that. But I put like detail of leaf because I wanted to be a little bit detailed in it because, you know, I hate when people do just square boxes. It's just like a boring thing to see. Well, let's go up to the next section. Next section is a pre-modern build of a casino place. It's a casino if you liked it, like a casino place. Not modern inside, sorry, because that would take too much time. See, I use still my trapdoor windows because it's like a pretty good use, and still the use of my leaves, pretty good. Again. But yeah, you still have everything down here. You have your modern. I think I want to do this like this. Pretty good. It's a pretty good build. I'm proud of myself. And this is like a couch place where type of thing. Wait a minute. Can I do something? Is it? No, it's not possible. No. Oops. It's not possible that I can do that. No. Okay, that's beautiful, guys. But let's see this for the last time. Pretty good. Now, let's look at here. This I wasn't too happy about. This is the part where I'm not too happy about because you just see the low detail in this. It's just low in this place. And I used some fences because I was a little bit inspired by the casino. It's Mont Tremblant Casino. It's pretty good. I never went into it because I'm not at all, but it looks cool. And there was like a statue next to it. It was pretty good. Now, let's start to the end part. But this, I was just inspiring myself. This it wasn't at the casino, but was just like a mix of everything. Because I wanted to put everything in it. Like building, all of these trapdoors are pretty made. They're all made to be pretty. And yeah, I hope you liked it, you guys. It took me quite a while, and guys, this is I want you to copy it. I don't care if you copy it. I want just you to inspire yourself by it because it's pretty good build, and I pretty much like it. This is when World Edit comes in handy because you see this roof. How much time did you think that it took me to do this? This took me, I think, 30 minutes to do. It's like these two stuff here. This was so hard to replicate that you see how beautiful it is. I love it. I love just the small detail in it, like this. It's a pretty good detail making, and I was pretty proud of myself just putting random blocks everywhere. It's pretty fun. Yeah, pretty much it. It's really really interactively detailed. I love it. It's pretty much good. But now let's go at the see the walls that I did. Oop, wait, what day? But that's how I think. Yeah, that's how I did it. Think. Hey, here. Now it's perfect. Like, but it took a lot of time to copy. So guys, if you enjoyed, maybe leave a like. But it's not finished yet. It's pretty much done. Now I just want to show you a thing that you upgrade of your house. Oh, come on. Okay. You know when people just do this, a square house that won't do it that big? You know when you do a square house, it's like ugly. Like, why do I do that? But you can just use the smallest details in the world. Like, I did these before square square houses. They're really ugly. I thought they were beautiful in the before, but now when I like learned that you can do better houses, I was not like good fashionable. You know what I started now? What I was starting good. Look, you can use the smallest detail to like just I don't know. Maybe make your house the most beautiful. Maybe be a little bit tightly, a little bit more beautiful. It's really easy. I do this usually. I always do just a beautiful house like this. This is but not with quartz because usually you don't get quartz one shot, but you can do this easy, just like putting the smallest details in it. It's pretty gonna look pretty good in my ways of concern. You're like, I'm just putting the smallest details. It's not really a lot of item that you have to do this. Yeah, look, already I did this, and I can like put even more. Like, I could do a whole house now, but we don't have that time. It's sometimes it depends how much time that you have, because you never have that much time. You never know. Okay. And this is how I pretty like this. These, cause I can just give you a lot of tips how to build like your house, but we're not here today for that. So guys, I hope if you enjoyed this video, leave a like or a comment down below, and see you next time guys at the next build thing Benji game. Right, see you next time guys. Goodbye.